This is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today we would like to show how you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So that's how the keyboard looks without the separate number row. From here you want to either go ahead and tap on this cog icon in order for you to be directly forwarded into the keyboard settings page, or you can also access it from the general settings tab by launching it, then going into the system category, languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, and while at the Gboard settings page, enter the preferences section and turn on this number row toggle. And as you will be able to see now, this will effectively mean that the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device has been successfully activated. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.